WaterWear is a cover for Opus 2 and Sonnet that is to be used with the standard battery pack covers only. You can use each WaterWear cover up to 3 times, but the adhesive strip must be replaced after each use. Make sure your hands are clean and dry before handling the WaterWear. Check WaterWear for damage and make sure the inside is also clean and dry. Discard WaterWear if it has any damage. Switch on your audio processor. Insert the coil into the WaterWear, sliding it carefully into the flexible sleeve. Make sure that the coil cable is fully inserted in the sleeve and that it remains attached to the coil. WaterWear has been designed to be worn on both the left and right sides of your head, and the coil may easily be turned within the WaterWear, so you do not have to be concerned with the correct orientation when inserting the coil of the audio processor. Hold the battery pack between your thumb and forefinger and insert the ear hook in the WaterWear until it fits tight in the tip. Hold the control unit with one hand. With the other hand, hold the WaterWear between your thumb and forefinger and pull it over the battery pack. It will form a tight fit, so you can expect some tension. Avoid pulling on the additional fixation option, which is the semicircular tab with a fixation hole. Pull the WaterWear over the entire processor and avoid crinkling the edge of the opening of the WaterWear. In order to avoid tension on the coil cable, also make sure that the coil cable is not twisted inside the WaterWear. The included adhesive strips are used to cover this opening. Before attaching the adhesive strip, make sure that the strip and the surface of your audio processor and the WaterWear are clean and dry. Remove the adhesive strip from the protective cardboard. Start applying the adhesive strip at the bottom of the battery pack, but do not seal it completely. Then, with your free hand, place your fingers over the cable to press out the remaining air. Make sure that there is no excess air in the WaterWear cover such that bulging occurs. Once the air has been pressed out, ensure that the adhesive strip is fully covering the reinforcement foil at the opening of the WaterWear and is not offset or misaligned. The adhesive strip needs to have a complete overlap of about 5 mm between the adhesive strip and the reinforcement foil. Firmly press down along the adhesive section to make sure that the WaterWear adheres completely. To provide protection against water, the adhesive strip must completely adhere to all edges of the WaterWear. Make sure the WaterWear was not damaged when you put it on. Your audio processor with WaterWear is now ready to use. Position your audio processor with WaterWear behind your ear with the coil over the implant. To avoid losing the processor during activities, you should use additional fixation, such as a swimming cap or the fixation tab. To remove WaterWear from your audio processor, carefully remove and discard the adhesive strip from the WaterWear. Use your thumb and forefinger to hold the bottom of WaterWear and pull it over the bottom of your audio processor. Pull WaterWear gently off of your audio processor and make sure that you do not damage WaterWear. Each WaterWear cover can be used up to 3 times, but the adhesive strip needs to be replaced each time. Follow the same instructions and ensure that there is a complete seal with the adhesive and WaterWear before reusing.